GoMining just released one of their biggest updates ever, the GoMining Visa card. In this video we'll go over what the GoMining card is, how to create one in less than 5 minutes, and I'll tell you exactly how we can use this card to earn hundreds of dollars a month completely for free. So what is this new GoMining card? In principle it is a virtual Visa debit card. You can add the virtual card to Google Pay or Apple Pay and use your crypto to pay in real life. Now I know we have seen similar cards before, like the Coinbase card or the Crypto.com card. But GoMining sets itself apart with one feature that is the most important for pretty much all of you, the rewards. There are a couple of different rewards linked to the GoMining card. First of all, you get a 1 TH/s miner immediately on sign up. This bonus is already worth $25 and you don't have to spend a single cent to claim it. I'll show you exactly how to get this reward in a bit. But first, let's take a look at the other rewards. Right after you sign up for the GoMining card, you'll be prompted with the second sign up bonus. You get $20 in extra cashback after you have spent your first $100. That's a 20% discount on anything you want to buy. Now, a sign-up bonus is great, but the following rewards will keep earning you money for as long as you use the card. The GoMining card offers a cashback up to 5% when you pay using your card. That means that you can buy pretty much anything you want and instantly get 5% of your money back in GoMining. Just imagine paying your rent, your groceries, and maybe even your taxes using this card. That could easily save you a couple $100s a month. The cashback you earn is automatically reinvested into your GoMining farm, meaning you'll also be earning interest on your savings, compounding the rewards even further. And the best thing, all of this is completely free. Alright, enough about the rewards. Let's take a look at how we can claim this card in just a couple of clicks. We start by going to the first link in the description. If you already have a GoMining account, you can log in here. If not, you can create an account for free. Once you're logged in, you can go to your wallet and click Create Card here. Then we click Next, which brings us to the requirements page. We'll have to do some KYC tasks, and we see that we have to deposit at least $100 in our GoMining wallet. Now, if you've been using GoMining for some time, this task is probably already done. But if not, don't worry. You can simply deposit $100 now and withdraw it immediately after creating your card. Or if you want, you can invest the funds on the GoMining platform to raise your rewards even higher. After all of these steps have been completed, you'll get your GoMining card within minutes. Then claiming your bonus miner is as easy as going over to the card page and clicking Claim Now. And that's everything there is to know about the GoMining card. For more tips and tricks on cloud mining, make sure to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.